have something to refer later on. Okay, so in this module, we have the following objectives, like explain networking basics, such as network topologies, networking hardware, packaging, data transport, and how devices connect to a network. Describe network transport and communications protocols, because if you are a network, you have to follow some protocols, and determine which protocols are used in specific computer operating systems, and explain how to integrate different operating systems on the same network. First, what is a network? So it's a system of computing and communication devices that are linked together via wired or wireless communication. So as you can see in this figure, we have different devices that are connected to a network. Okay, we have three cabled PCs, and we have three access points, and each access points have different wireless devices connected to them. Okay, and I know that you are already familiar with these different devices, and I believe you know already on how to configure different devices, okay, in such a way that other devices can connect to a network through that access points, for example. Okay, and we have two um, components of a network. We have hardware and software components. For the hardware components, you have your computers, the printers, the communications cable, the networking devices. And for the software components, you have the client and server operating systems, device drivers, and of course, the different protocols in networking. So we have different OS, diba, in a network. We have the client OS and the server OS. Client OS enables a workstation to run applications, process information locally, and communicate with other computers and devices over a network. Client operating systems are installed on workstations that will connect to a network. Okay, and take note, the term workstation are any device or computer that has a CPU and can run applications locally or obtain applications and files from another computer on a network, and basically um, served on a network by a server. Okay? And mag-uban gina siya, si client o si server. Si server OS coordinates network activities, authenticates clients to access a network, and enables client workstations to access shared network resources, files such as printers, files, or software. And the most important function of server OS is the security. Okay, this can be used to test credentials upon logging in of clients before clients are allowed to access network resources, of course. And the basic way to do this is to provide credentials, to provide logins and passwords for the client devices to access the resources. And we have the different services in order for the clients um, to be given credentials. So we have the certificate services. These are digital certificates to verify that a user or entity is trustworthy to access the resources. The statement of health, or the SOH, certifies that client is secure and is current on OS updates. Okay. Remote installation services is used to install client OS on a mass scale, like Windows Server 2003, Release 2. Okay. The Windows deployment services or updated version of remote installation services. And this became available in Windows Server 2008 R2. Now, in client server operating systems, we have services. We have um, services to publish an application. Okay, and we have a different um, OS versions that will enable the publishing of applications like Windows Server 2003, Release 2, Server 2008, Windows XP, Vista 7. Okay, and these are the clients to install custom configured application software. And you can assign applications to client devices. Okay, so this will enable the client to automatically start a particular version of software through a desktop shortcut. Okay. Then if user accidentally deletes the shortcut, it is automatically reinstalled and next time the user will log in. Okay. And if you are in a network, you are classified according to your scope. So we have different scopes of network. We have LAN, WAN. Okay. The local area network is the common for relatively small network, such as in a specific floor or in one small building. For wide area network, it offers networking services over a long distance, such as between cities, states, or countries. And this is possible through the use of the internet. Okay, so in a network, we have different topologies. Okay, are you familiar with the different network topologies? We have bus, star, hybrid, and others. Okay, it's the physical design of the network or the path where data takes when it goes from one computer to another. So this is an example of bus topology. So it is designed as a straight line to which all computers are and devices are attached with two endpoints that must be terminated to keep the signal from reflecting back along the path. Okay, so we have a central cable here to be connected with the different devices. Okay, another topology is the ring, the star, and that I will leave that one as your assignment. Okay, because I know that you are already familiar with different topologies. Okay, so in the LMS, okay, I'm going to enable this one. An intro of network communication. Okay, so this is a forum-like structure only, but doesn't have a question for you to answer. You can share your ideas, by the way, for this one. And the required one is the 6.3, the network topology. Okay, in here, you are going to list down the different types of network topology and what are their advantages and disadvantages. You can use any document application for your answer, then submit your answer in a PDF format. And this will be ended on November 30. If that would be okay. Okay. Okay ra ninyo November 30? Okay. Let me end this